Is that what motorcycle people do? I don't know. I drive an SUV. Hey, welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch, and we're opening a beater box because that's all I do on this channel that's worth anything. If you want to give me a follow on social media, Twitter, follow me there. If you want to subscribe to the channel, feel free to do so. If you don't want to, that's totally cool. I fully understand this channel might not be for everybody, but you know who it is for? Pals. Hi, pals! Guess what? It's a beater box from Sole Supremacy. Big shock, right? This box costs $500 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $550. Bump. It's clearance, it's counter. You know what counters do, so I'm not gonna explain it. But stick around till the end to find out how much this box is worth versus how much I paid in the breakdown, because that's something that's helpful too. And let's open the box. This is a little bit lower than what I'm used to getting. I'm trying to stay in like the 700 to 900 range, but I don't know, sometimes these boxes are really good. $400 boxes are like the most profitable for whatever reason, so very confusing. But there's like some early 2010 Jordan boxes in here, so that's good. So first up is a loose shoe. I think this is a LeBron 12? Does it say anywhere what it is? I suck at LeBrons. I forget which model this is. I don't know what the colorway is, I don't know what the model is, but I know it's a LeBron James because his name is on it 15 billion times, because let's face it, LeBron loves LeBron. And I say that with the utmost respect because I'm a Cavs fan and he won a championship while he was here. But hey, there you go. What size is it? You guys might want to know what size it is. It's the one thing with LeBron's, they put the style ID tag in the stupidest spots. This is a size US 12. So a size 12, LeBron something in some kind of black and red colorway is your first shoe out. There we go. After I find out what that is, it'll be on my website today at 6, sbmitch.com. You can buy those or any other shoes there if you want to, or don't, or just visit it. I don't know, analytics. All right, next up, a 380. Interesting. It's a size 8.5, 380. They don't look worn, but here you go. It's a pair of the Peppers, I think is what they're called, right? The colorway says pepper/pepper/pepper. So I think they're called Pepper, I'm not 100% sure, but they're a dead stock pair. No wear on the bottoms. They have these like weird, like you have to cut the laces to actually get laces on, but there are secondary laces too. These tanked big time, and I can see why, because they kind of look like, what would the colorway even be? It looks like some kind of weird rock that you would find in a dank cave, but whatever. Size 8.5, dead stock, 380 in the Pepper colorway. Someone bought them on StockX, you kidding me? It's weird. Some kind of Jordan something. It's a 6.5 youth. Excuse me. Jordan 11 retro. That's cool. Nice. Very cool. These are 2009s as well. Wow, these are in really good shape. 2009 Space Jams. These are in really, really great shape actually. Just a little bit of outsole discoloration because they're old. Let's see if there's any separation real quick. Right shoe checks out. Cool. No sole separation. These are in really good shape. And this is a really great size. A little bit of, there's insole wear. There's no Jumpman left in there, but yeah, this is one of the most classic Jordan 11 colorways, and a lot of people prefer having the 23 instead of the 45 in the back. Cool get. 6.5. Nice. That's a good pair. Another youth shoe. It's a 6 youth. It's Jordan 11. These are worn and very lightly worn, just like the last pair. We've got a pair of silver anniversaries, I think. They're not Legend Blues because they're not blue at all, but yeah, these are silver anniversary grade schools. This is like a 2011, 2010 release. This is probably as close to a triple white Jordan 11 as you're gonna get. Really nice pair. A little bit of outsole wear. I mean, outsoles are discolored because of age too, but these have been worn very lightly. Holy cow. That's a nice thing about kids' shoes. There's double-edged sword when it comes to kids' shoes. They're always lightly worn if they're worn, but at the same time, people don't like to buy their kids used shoes. They just buy new shoes. So there you go. 6 youth. Jordan 11 silver anniversary. That's a cool pair. Oh, Gold Box SB. Not now, but we're going to get to that later. And a size 9 Air Trainer 3 Premium. Oh, nice. Is this the recent release? No, it's 2014. 2014 release. This is the Medicine Ball Air Trainer 3. One of the most iconic trainers ever released. This colorway, I think LeBron did a kind of play on it with the LeBron 17, and I think think these retroed recently too. Really nice colorway though. I mean, it's like a kind of a curry looking ish colorway. Called Medicine Ball, obviously because it looks like a medicine ball. This pair is in really good shape. There's a little bit of outsole wear, some dirt. All the nipples are still there though. You just need a quick cleanup. Not really a hyped, expensive shoe, but still a cool shoe because there's a lot of history involved in this. So there you go, size 9. Medicine Ball Air Trainer 3s. Next up, some kind of indistinct box that I don't know what it means. Oh, it's a Max Air. Got a size 9.5 Air Max 360. What does it say? Rejuvenation, whatever that means. Cool box. I don't know what this colorway is, but it's kind of weird. It looks like a bunch of, the upper's got some really interesting details going on with it. Big chunky outsole, a little bit of cloudiness going on. These do have some years on them, but it's an Air Max 360. I don't know the colorway. It's very cool looking, I will say that. It's size 9.5. There you go. Cool, interesting. Best believe I'm saving the SB for last. This is a size 11 Air Jordan 9 Retro. No, it's not. So they put the half pack box inside of another box. Interesting. This is the 29, the Jordan 29 Pantone. This came with the Pantone pack with the 11 and the 29. This is an interesting shoe. These are worth probably like $100. I mean, it's a nice shoe. What size is this? It's size 9.5, so it's a pretty decent size. I mean, they're really only made famous because of the Pantone pack. Those 11s are really, really nice. So these have some dirt. These just need to clean up. So 9.5 Pantone Jordan 29s in a weird double box situation. And here we are. Got a size 9 gold box Nike SB Blazer. Interesting to see what is going to be in here. Ooh, I remember these. So these are in pretty good shape. Along with most gold box SBs, you have nice little details you don't see very often. This is the Pine Green Blazer SB. I took the insole out because the insole is this really, really cool, unexpected detail. It's a mostly suede upper, white midsole, gum, heel cap or toe cap, whatever you call it, thing right there. These are really nice. These are in really great shape too. This is the heyday of SB. This is like gold box, like 2006 to 2009, something like that. Really, really good releases. This follows suit. And the little details like this that you see on this insole, you don't see that very much anymore unless it's like a collaboration. So there's your last shoe out of size 9 Blazer SB in the Pine Green colorway. Wow, I haven't seen these in years. Very, very cool. And that's a $500 Sole Supremacy beater box. I'm a big fan of this box. I think there's a lot of good variety, some good stories in here too, but let's see what kind of money we can possibly make off this thing right now. Fun box. Oops, my light fell. That's weird. Fix it. Fix it, fix it, fix it, fix it. That's good enough. Hey, that's a fun box in my opinion. Is it a good box though? I don't know. I have to check it out later. But hey, if you're interested in purchasing any of these shoes, hit my website up today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I like doing these videos. I hope you like watching them. If you don't, that's cool too. Have a good rest of your weekend. We'll see you on Monday for a recap. And until then, take care of each other and remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun, you goose. Toodles.